Hello friends, I am Danish and you are watching SBST. In this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer your music from Spotify to YouTube Music. It is very simple. First, we will go to the tunemymusic.com. On this next page, we will click on Let's Start. Now it will ask you to click on the source where you want to transfer the files, and I will click Spotify. Now on this step, it will ask you to log in using your Spotify account. I have already done that, so it have taken me to the next step instantly. Now I will click on load from playlist, and as you can see, now it is loading my music. Now on this page you can see all my music and playlists from the Spotify. Now you can select which music you want to transfer and which you don't. It have a limit of 500 songs. So if your music is more than 500 songs, you will have to either buy the premium package or you have to deselect the some of the music which you don't want to transfer. Now I will click on choose destination. On this page you can see two things, YouTube and YouTube Music. You need to select the YouTube Music. I will click on YouTube Music. Now it is showing that albums are not transferable to YouTube Music and artists are not transferable to YouTube Music. I will just leave it is and start transfer. Now the process has started. It is processing 0 out of 405 tracks. It will take some time, so let's fast forward. As you can see, it is completed now, but it is showing some missing songs. Don't worry, these are not missing, only that this website couldn't find them. So you can add these manually. For more videos like this and helpful tutorials, don't forget to subscribe SBST step-by-step tutorials. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.